The Forrestville design from our Freedom range offers 3 standard floor plans as a starting point, but as with all of our designs, anything can be altered to better suit your needs, or we can design from scratch. With its homestead style appeal, it looks great on acreage or on a block with wide frontage. The Forrestville 17 offers 158 square metres of living area with 4 bedrooms and an open plan living, dining and kitchen area. The Forrestville 21 offers 197 square metres of living area with 4 bedrooms and an open plan living, dining and kitchen area and the addition of a rumpus room. The Forrestville 26 offers 241.5 square metres of living area with 4 bedrooms, an open plan living, dining and kitchen area, rumpus room and the addition of a lounge room and study or home office. All 3 designs feature a walk-in pantry, while the main bedroom boasts a walk-in robe and an ensuite plus a private veranda. Select from one of our many standard designs, change anything you want, or guess what? We can design your dream home from scratch. We offer a full home design service. Let us design your new home. You'll be amazed how flexible we really are.